Personal injury. Have you or someone you love been injured in an accident that was caused by the negligent actions of another person or business in the state of Pennsylvania? If the answer is yes, then you may have the right to file a personal injury lawsuit for the damages that you incurred as a result of that accident. Personal injury accident in Pennsylvania demands strong legal action. Not all accidents are the same. You deserve a personal injury attorney who will work diligently to build a rock solid case on your behalf. The attorneys at Thursday Law have more than 80 years of combined personal injury experience and have assisted countless Western Pennsylvania residents who have been injured in an accident that was no fault of their own, and we can help you too. We work on a contingency basis, which means if you don't get compensated, then we don't get compensated either. Insurance companies are not on your side, and their goal is to save the insurance company money, not to make sure that your medical needs are met. So often, injured victims settle with insurance companies without fully understanding the scope of their injuries or the treatment needed. We are here to help you and make sure your rights are protected. If you are going through a difficult time after being injured in an accident, contact the lawyers at Terrace Law today to find out if you have the right to file a personal injury claim. Our team of aggressive and skilled attorneys have the experience and resources needed to successfully represent you with your claim to ensure that you are compensated fully for your losses. Here are a few of the personal injury cases we fight for. Car accident. On average, there are 15913 accidents per day in the USA. This number represents the number of collisions between vehicles and vehicles with fixed objects. A lot of these accidents involve minor to catastrophic injuries. It's important to have an attorney by your side looking out for your best interest if you have been seriously injured in a car accident that was caused by the reckless, careless, or negligent actions of another driver. Do not speak with the other driver's insurance company after your injury accident. Insurance adjusters work for the insurance company, and insurance company want to make money, not pay you. They usually offer low ball statements offer in hopes that you will accept their offer and go away. Our law firm has represented individuals in Pittsburgh and greater areas of the Pennsylvania for more than 50 years and would love to put our decades of experience to use for you. The attorneys at Tracy Law understand the importance of establishing liability, the urgency of accidents caused by drunk drivers, defective products, highway defects, and even road rage. Call our office for a free consultation and guarantee for full compensation of for your injuries and losses, or you don't pay you as a penny.